Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we consider the following kind of problem. So you are giving a system of linear equation and you want to determine the type of solution of the system based on the final solution that you get. In other words, does the system has solution, infinitely many solution, or no solution at all? In this video, we consider all of these cases and learn what to look for in the algebraic solution to know the type. Now, it worth mentioning here that a system with no solution is called inconsistent system, while a system that have at least one solution is called consistent system. So let's go over examples to illustrate how to determine the type of solution. Note that you can determine the type solution graphically, and you can refer to another video on the channel if you want to do that. But in this video, we'll focus on algebraic solution to determine the type. Okay, so our first example. So we are trying to solve the following system: x plus 2y equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Let's call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. In this video, I'm going to use the elimination method to solve the system. So there's another video on the channel that explains the elimination method if you are not familiar with. However, you can also use the substitution if you want to do that. It doesn't really matter which one you will use. So I'm going to assume that you're familiar with the elimination method. Let's eliminate the x variable from the two equations. To do that, I can multiply the first equation minus 2. So minus 2 times equation number 1. We're going to multiply both sides for the first equation minus 2. So get minus 2 times x, that give you minus 2x, plus minus 2 times 2, that give you minus 4y, equal to minus 2 times 2, that is minus 4. And let's call this equation 3. Now we can add equation 2 and 3 to get rid of x. So then I can take equation 2 and I add it with equation 3. Okay, so 2x and minus 2x, that cancel out, and then you will get 3y plus minus 4y, and that will give you minus y equal to 6 plus minus 4, or 6 minus 4, in other words, you will get 2. So to get y, we simply multiply with minus both sides. So we get y equal to minus 2. Now we got the value of y. To get x, we can substitute in any of the two equations. It will be easy to substitute in equation number 1 since x coefficient is 1. To get x, we matter just moving the other term to the right, get the value. So we substitute. So we substitute in equation number 1, and then we get x plus 2, and the value of y is minus 2 equal to 2. And this means minus 2 times minus 2, that give you minus 4 equal to 2. And here, if I move the minus 4 to the other side, you get 4 plus 2, or this is 6. So the value of x is 6. Now, when you get a specific value for x and y, then that system has one solution, which is given by the value that you get. In this case, the solution will be x equal to 6 and y equal to minus 2. Now, let's look at another example that illustrates another case that you may get when you are solving the system. To solve the system, x plus 4y equal to 8, 2x plus 8y equal to minus 16. So let's call this equation 1, and this is equation 2. Again, we'll solve it using the elimination method. Let's eliminate x. So to eliminate x, we can multiply the first equation with minus 2. So minus 2 times first equation, so multiply both sides. Minus 2 times x, that give you minus 2x. And then minus 2 times 4, that give you minus y equal to, again, minus 2 times 8, that give us minus 16. And let's call this equation 3. Now we can see that the coefficient of x in equation 2 and 3 are opposite to each other. So then we'll add these, cancel x out. So then equation 2 plus equation 3, 2x plus minus 2x, they cancel out. In other words, are getting 0. Similarly, 8y and minus 8y, you are getting another 0, equal to minus 16 and minus 16, that is minus 32. What we have here actually is 0 equal to minus 32. We know this is not true. 0 is not equal to minus 32. It's not equal. Whenever you are solving a system algebraically and you end up with something like this, an equation that is not true. 0 equal to 8, 0 equal to minus 32. That means that the system has no solution. And we call such a system inconsistent system. Now let's look at another example to illustrate another that you may get. Our third example is to solve the system x plus y equal to 3 and 2x plus 2y equal to 6. Let's call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. Again, I'm going to use elimination and let's eliminate x. To eliminate x, we can multiply the first equation with minus 2 to make the coefficient of x opposite in the two equations. Then minus 2 times x, that give you minus 2x, and minus 2 times y, that give you minus 2y equal to minus 2 times 3, that give you minus 6, and let's call this equation 3. So now we need to add equation 2 plus equation 3. When we do that, 2x plus minus 2x give us 0. 2y plus minus 2y, that also give us 0. And then 6 plus minus 6, that give us 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 equal to 0. Now looking at this equation, this is always true. 0 will be always equal to 0. So this is always, which means that the system has infinitely many solutions, have an infinite number of solutions. So these are the three cases that you may get. You may get a solution that gives you a specific value of x and y. In that case, the system has one solution and we say that the system is consistent. You may get an equation that is not true, like 0 equal to minus 32. In that case, the system has no solution and we say the system is inconsistent. And the third possibility is that you get equation that is always true. 0 equal to 0, 3 equal to 3. In that case, the system have infinitely many solutions. And also we say that the system is consistent. By the way, same problems are solved graphically. So if you want to know how to know the type of the solution graphically, you can refer to the other video on the channel about solving system of linear equation graphically. And you will see how we can, again, find out the type of solution. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel and turn notification on so you get notified about new content. Thank you for watching.